So how do I save cost usually? Okay, you can see my database here, not let it run. Okay, so how do I keep my database? I'll actually take a snapshot. So this one is the backup over here. So what I will do is, I take on here, restore the backup. Okay, then here you do the setting one. Okay, database 1. And then here you choose the versatile class, create user micro. And here the assignment, VPC. Okay, this one is the most important part. Okay, some students never do this. This is your connectivity. I repeat one more time. When you launch your RDS, make sure it's private subnet. How do you ensure? Okay. So let's say if I do something like this, do you think it's correct? Let's say I do like this. Do you think it's correct? If I do like this, how many of you think it's correct? Okay. I choose the VPC to assignment VPC. Then here the VPC subnet code, I choose the default one. Public access, I take to know. How many of you here think this configuration is correct? What part missing? Subnet code. Here, I'm using the default one. What part missing? I should create another one. Private subnet code. Yeah. So when you choose the default one, what could be the issue here? Okay. So what does it mean? When I launch my RDS, okay, it will launch based on the subnet code that you have chosen. Okay. So here, the default subnet code here, you see there are how many subnets in here? 6. So 6 subnet means there are 3 private, 3 public. So if I choose this when I launch my database, there are 50% chance it will launch in the public, it will launch in the private. I do not want such thing happen. I want surely 100% it launch in private. So how can you do that? You come to here, the RDS. Okay, here there's an option here called subnet group. Please come to here, subnet group. Okay, you create a subnet group. Here, I say assignment, private subnet. Okay, so here the VPC I choose assignment VPC. Then the exact we have 1P, 1C, 1A, 1B, 1C. And here make sure you only include all the private one. Okay, you only include all the private one, then you create. So when I create my database, here I choose the private one. So when the database launch, okay, maybe you randomly choose 3 subnet one among here, but all are private one. Okay, so this is how you make sure you launch in the private one. Okay, so here the security group should be web access. Okay, so this is correct. So please pay attention. Last time when you create your RDS, it's actually using the secret manager to manage your secret, correct? But when you restore back, the secret manager is gone. Okay, so you can see here the connectivity. Okay, I need to wait for a while. So when you restore back, you will record back down last time your admin password and also the username. So of course your password is managed by the secret manager, you could not remember anymore. So when this one is successfully restoring, you need to connect it back to secret manager again. So later I will show you how. So here now I'm going to choose my EC2. And also my EC2 is empty here, because I'm the same cost. Okay, so now I'm going to launch my EC2 in public subnet to answer your question. Okay, so instances, launch instance. Okay, I'm going to split the bin, my MI. Okay, so I'm just going to restore my backup. I already backup this. You see the assignment test MI. Okay, so the TE micro, key pair, work key. So I need to download my work key here first. Later I need to connect to the database, connect to the server. Okay, file explorer. Download. Okay, so I'm going to do this right here. Okay, so easy to okay, so I now have to make sure this is assignment easy. Okay, so now pay attention, I'm going to launch it public subnet 1. So now I make sure my EC2 is in public subnet. So the security group, I'm going to choose assignment access. Okay. come to the L160 over here, okay, when you come to the IM distance profile, make sure you choose left distance profile. Otherwise, your EC2 instance cannot log into the database. Okay, so that's it. You need to create one. Okay. I'm going to connect right now. Okay, so you can see if I go into my cover. Okay, so you see this one actually I will configure the requesting machine. But if I go to here, I go to my website, you will see the database connection error. Okay, because after I restore my database, it's not managed by the secret manager anymore. So I have to enable it, otherwise you see this. So I go to my database here again, I refresh, then wait for a while. And let me open this one now. Okay, so I need to change the secret manager over here, the secret name. Okay, so I'm going to put a new one here. Let me refresh. Okay, it's still not available yet. It has taken a while. So the CS issue. This one I think you need to check because some other students they mentioned this one. Some they say it's the issue, that the issue is better than it works fine. But I will advise you only when you face this issue. Okay, you try to use the control plus F5. You clear the cache first. See whether the new vectors the UI apply or control by F5. Because normally when you use the PHP, it's very common that you have the cache issue. Okay.
For me, like when I post the plugin to the key, only the CSS will be out.
Only the CSS will be out.
Yeah. But still, it's better to probably because the plugin they are loading is the SC one or the Loxy plugin.
Now you will show.
Yeah.
The Loxy, it depends on which template you choose, right? You choose which template you choose, whether the Loxy one or outside the Loxy one.
Whether apply the Loxy one.
You restart the Loxy again, you uninstall or you close it.
I just restore it and I open again.
Then it looks fine.
那个 Elementor 会不惊吓？
不是Elementor，是那个Loxy啊，我把它关了，它 CSS 才会出来的，所以我开去的话 CSS 又是来就是 UH6，因为感觉好很多。
Okay, so this one is taking longer than usual.
就是能够问的到上面，你说你的这样的多啦，的你说这个的就比较好的吗？
另外就是看左右以外还是说。 then you need to control F5 to stop this here. Because what does it mean? You want to see F5. Not sure if I show you here. Okay, so normally you imagine you're doing a PhD website. Okay, so let's say this one the background here is black, right? The dark color. Okay, if maybe in the code here you change your background to blue one, but maybe you refresh here, it does not reflect the blue one. Why is that? Because the caching, they cache because they assume your CS will not change so often. So they store it in the cache. Usually, remember last time I mentioned, because they want to improve the loading speed of your page. That's why they will store those not so frequently change data into the caching. Okay, so your CS normally, when you use the page here, your CS normally will be stored in the cache. So that's why when you do some sort of media changing and you see maybe here not reflecting, you have to do images because the image will be cacheable. You have to improve the loading speed next time. Okay, because the image will be cacheable. So you have to see the latest one, you need to control F5 to clear the cache. Control key plus F5 on your keyboard to clear the cache. Okay, so my RDS here is available already. So I just need to modify. Here I'm going to manage, okay? Because you can see here becomes self-manager again. So once you restore it to change it back to manage by single manager. So I think that's the only thing you need to update. Then you can get a sample price output, that's correct. Then you can just continue, apply immediately. Okay. So after you apply immediately, I just need to go to the single manager here, I refresh. Okay, now you see the new single manager here is on this here. So I just need to copy the single name over here. Then I put it to here. Okay, control right, yes, control X to exit. And then I refresh. Later when